Hey, welcome back for another video. I'm Rob and this is Sigma 3 Survival School. Today we're going to cover my super lightweight cook system for when I'm just kind of wanting convenient meals and don't feel like being bushcrafty and making fires. The kit I'm using is extremely lightweight, very durable, and large enough to cook any size meal for 1 to 4 people. The kit only weighs 1.6 pounds without fuel and 2.4 pounds with a half liter of fuel. I really think it's the best overall system for survival and tactically minded people, and really works for any hiking or camping trip also. If you'd like to pick the system up, I'll post the Amazon links below. Thanks for watching, and please support by liking and commenting. The first item in the kit is the MSR Alpine Stainless 2-liter pot set, which is a very durable and surprisingly lightweight kit for its durability. This weighs the same as my titanium bush pot kit, and stainless is always better to cook on. You usually don't need the second pot if you're looking to cut weight in your bag, and I rarely carry it if I'm bringing my fuel stove with me. But it's great for bushcraft type cooking fires as well, because if you're cooking everything from scratch and don't have ready-made meals, you truly do need a second pot and small skillet, especially when you're living off the land and eating wild foods. The next piece of kit is the Firebox Ultralight Titanium Nano Stove, which only weighs 4 ounces. The great thing about this kit is that it's super packable and can be placed inside of my pot kit. It comes in a nice carrying case that doubles as a base for the stand. It only takes about 1 minute to set up, and it's much sturdier than other pot stands I've seen on the market. The thing I hate about so many different cook stands on the market is that they're just not very stable, especially when you have a large pot full of water on them. But this one's super stable and easily holds large pots with ease without having to worry about them blowing over in gusty winds. It also serves as a windscreen for your alcohol stove. The next item is the old tried and true Trangia alcohol stove. It only weighs 4 ounces and will really burn almost any kind of flammable liquid. Everything from denatured alcohol to diesel fuel, which makes it a top choice for survival-minded people. If crap were to hit the fan, you could almost certainly find something to burn in this stove. So you'll definitely want to pick up the Trangia fuel container with it as well. It's a must-have for the kit. I recommend the half-liter version. And if you really want to dig into stove efficiency, I suggest following the Paleo Hiker MD channel. He is a stove fanatic and tests every stove on the market, and this same system I'm suggesting is still his favorite after years of testing. I don't really need to rattle on about how great this stove is. The fact that it's been around for so long and so many people use it is testimony enough. Then I also like to carry a cheap little MSR spatula, and of course a spork. The reason I love alcohol stoves above any other kind of stove option that's available out there is, one, you can burn almost any kind of fuel in an alcohol stove. So in an SHTF type situation, there's going to be all kinds of fuels available, so you can refill on your own. Two, you can utilize that same fuel in order to start campfires. Dump it on, and you've got a ready-made bonfire. And you know, when you're not feeling bushcrafty and you don't want to, make all of your fires all the time, or you want to have a fire with no smoke, an alcohol stove is just really hard to beat. And when you add that titanium firebox for it to set on top of, which you can also burn wood in, which I don't ever use that for, it's just a great setup for pretty much any kind of outdoorsman that's looking for a convenient option to cook their food quickly out in the wilderness.